You guys, listen. People do not need to understand you, but you gotta have a solid connection with yourself and with God so that you can understand what is moving you, what is birthing through you, what is God wanting to create through you. Okay? You know, when God is going to be inspiring you in other people's eyes, you're going to be looking weird. You know, they may not understand you, they will be confused, like, oh my god, what is she doing, what is he doing, what is he like trying to do, and all of that. But do not let that stop you or distract you. Do not let other people's assumptions about you confuse you, distract you, or like stop you from following what God is wanting to create through you. If God is inspiring you to take actions on a daily basis that may look pretty weird or annoying or confusing to other people, it's okay. It's okay. That's the part of the process. It is all the part of the process. And you know what? The people who have been in the game, who have really, you know, did something, truly stick through, like whatever, in any of the field, they will never judge you, because they can see when someone, you know, when someone is in their like budding phase, they do not judge that because they have been through that. And the people who are judging you, they are not, you should not focus your attention there, because maybe it's not, no judgment for them as well, maybe it's not their time or whatever. Because I have like judged many other creatives when I was not following my creativity. So just, but yeah, you keep building stronger and deeper connection with the God. Oh my god, oh my god, bro, like seriously, my friend, my love, my sweetheart, my heart, my, keep building this connection with the God, with Mother Earth, with nature, because like, whoa. Whoa. Wow. Yeah. If this message was helpful for you, you can donate for my rent, for my food, for my doggy over here, you know, for our daily bills and needs. You can also book a one-on-one intuitive guidance session with me. Link of is in the description for the guidance. If you want to move through fear, if you want some intuitive guidance, if you want to move through some deep emotion, you're feeling overwhelmed and all of that, yeah. If I'm your girl, I'm your guide, I am, you know. And what else, yeah, follow me, subscribe to me if you're watching me on YouTube. And I love you.